CHOutdoors. So today, what I'm going to do is actually finish sighting in my new string that I had to put on my Matthews. I'm out of fill points somehow, probably the kids, I don't know. But I need to grab some of those and get to the practice range. All right, so the plan is go ahead and shoot my 20 yards, make sure that everything just seems to be lining up, because the 20-yard pin shouldn't be any different. And then we're gonna go ahead and move back to 40, then back to 60, and then I'll stay at 60 for a while. Now when looking at these targets, you can tell like the whole inside of this is pretty shut up because it's the middle. So I put my target over here on the side. That way with my arrow setup, I don't just zip straight through the entire target and lose my arrows into that bullshit. Once I get dialed in, I usually move over to this target because it has all these individual dots that I can aim at and still be able to determine how far off I'm missing. If I shoot more than a couple of arrows, chances are I usually hit an arrow with another one of my arrows and ruin it and waste money, and I don't want to get in the habit of doing that. So I like to have individual targets that I can shoot at and still be able to collectively figure out where my groups are. All right, well, just for the 20-yard pin, a decent group. Most pleased that I didn't hit one of my other arrows. Now we're gonna move back and make sure that I can get my 60 yards and the rest of the pin sighted in without losing an arrow. It's hot at 90 plus in Missouri, which means 125 everywhere else. 60 yards is farther than it looks. But hold on. What do we have here? Oh, don't get busy. Just saying hi. Don't worry about it. See you in a few months. But as we get closer, you can see my 60-yard shots. Oh, well, decent group. As you can tell, they're a click right and still a little further down. So I'm gonna have to bring my carrot down in order to bring those up. But making progress. We're still hitting a touch low. I mean, for 60 yards, I'll take it. Well, as you can see, I only shot one arrow that round because with a single pin slider, when you shoot at 60 yards, then move up to 20, without changing your pin, it flies way over into this junk. All right, so no way. It is mine. Oh crap. I made it through some mess. The gods have smiled upon me because I found it. I don't know how, but let's try that again. All right, moving back to 80 just to test. I was a little high. I did have one arrow that was all me. I messed it up. And you'll be able to tell that's this one. But these three are all in a line. I was aiming for that. In reality, Still hitting a bit high. Interesting. Back to the drawing board. Alright. Well, I think we pretty much got it dialed in. I gotta change the sight tape another letter or so when I get back to the shop. We'll see which one it is. But, I mean, I feel confident out to at least 80 yards, which is twice what I'll need for hunting. So, stay tuned. There'll be more to come. Bye.